Hey guys, so I just watched my cousin, your cousin, our internet cousin, Broke Farmer, talk about that today was the start of watermelon wars. And he done went all the way to Saudi Arabia and had him some seeds sent. So since we know that I'm gonna be crowned the queen of watermelon wars this year, let me go ahead and show you what we're working with. So y'all remember me starting this Charleston Gray watermelon in my arrow garden. So this is our first watermelon, and then our second watermelon that I've already started is right here, and this one is called the Tender Sweet Orange. So we have those two planted right now. I may come out and drop one more seed, but I really liked the Charleston Gray, so that's going to be the one that I'm throwing my hat into the ring with this year. That Charleston Gray, it produces some very good watermelons. Last year I did mine in a raised bed. This year I'm doing it in the ground. This is some really fertile soil right here, simply because it used to be a tree here. Once I had that tree cut down, I had the stump ground up. I placed that here, and I know that great things are gonna grow here, so I'm excited. All right, bro, let's do it.